The winner of the 2022 Excellent Emerging Organization Award is Love Institute. The Love, Unity, and Values Institute was founded to support the aspirations of youth and young adults living in high-burden communities impacted by trauma and violence by fueling academic success and sustained employment, carrying out its mission through after-school programs, job readiness trainings, vocational skills development, workplace internships, entrepreneurship trainings, job placement, and other intensive supportive services. The Love Institute empowers over 300 underserved youth per year by enabling career and college preparedness, economic opportunities, while also building resiliency and social-emotional competencies. Led by strong and qualified leadership, Love's recent strategic planning process included a strong approach to staff enhancement and succession planning. Successful pandemic time strategies led to further diversification of their funding base and strengthening of ties with funders. This attention to strengthening cash reserves, board and staff development, and creative responses to the pandemic enabled Love to broaden their programmatic impact. And in aiming to build stronger communities, the Love Institute has prioritized significant neighborhood partnerships with the Greater Bronzeville Neighborhood Network and the Bronzeville Community Action Council. Believing that young people can flourish and reach their potential when a vision of social responsibility is coupled with practical life skills, the Love Institute prepares youth for brighter futures by enabling their innate potential to flourish.